a battery works.
If you wonder how a battery works, then you should watch this video, because it's called How a Battery Works. Batteries are created by what's called a redox reaction. It has two parts: a volatile substance with a negative charge, or anode, and a stable substance with a positive charge, or cathode. The electrons from the volatile metal naturally move towards the more stable metal, usually producing heat, but through a glorious feat of engineering, nursed by a porous conductor called a salt bridge. The path of the electrons is focused through a wire to become what you might choose to call an electrical current.
It kinda makes you think. What's up with science?
You are absolutely right. To answer your question, let's pause here and see what happened to the zinc. As the electrons migrate to the copper, unbalanced atoms of the zinc jump off the anode, causing the anode to slowly shrink over time. As we continue on our magical journey, I might mention redox actually means reduction oxidation, just a technical term for our more seasoned viewers. On this side, you can see that as the buildup of the electrons becomes extreme, more copper atoms from the solution migrate towards the copper, causing it to grow. The longer the current remains a closed circuit, the larger it becomes.
Well, speaking of solutions, what are those liquids?
The liquids are actually the metal that it's immersed in, mixed with a sulfate. Mostly, there is more of the metal to react with, as well as to allow communication with the salt bridge.
Yeah.
Basically, to be stable, zinc wants to give up its electrons and copper wants to acquire them for the same reason.
So wait, they all seem happy, then why do batteries die?
The copper eventually becomes overwhelmed, and the zinc runs out of electrons to send, and the current is eventually thwarted.
Aww.
A battery can be recharged, though, by sending a current through the circuit, causing the process to run in reverse and returning the anode and cathode to their original mass. A good metaphor is that electrons react to the volatile chemicals the way we react to stress. The less volatile the chemical, the more drawn they are to it. Even at the microscopic level, life wants to live stable and stress-free.
In space.
Ha! Plot twist.